Hi, my name is Fabio Villamil, and today I'm doing the task 2 speaking task. Medellin, the eternal spring city. 2 years ago, I went to Medellin driving my motorbike, contemplating the most beautiful landscapes and enjoying my trip. My sister and my nephew live in that magical city, and I wanted to surprise them when arriving. I stayed at their home for several days, and I could realize that Medellin is one of the most interesting places I have visited in my life. In the past, Medellin was a small town located in Aburrá Valley, surrounded by high mountains, roads, rivers, and town. Its attic architecture kept the story, memory, and work of the old people. As years passed, it became larger and was separated from other towns as Belo, La Estrella, Envigado, Itagüí, and Sabaneta. Nowadays, Medellin is one of the most modern and important cities in Colombia. It has many museums, theaters, cinemas, universities, metro station, buildings, skyscrapers, sports centers, thematic parks, and restaurants that shows its culture, customs, social growth, and progress. In addition, Medellin is known as the innovation city because it has a huge development through time. There, people can enjoy different cultural shows at Parque de las Luces, Museo de la Cultura, Jardín Botánico, Parque Explora, Parque Arví, and Plaza de los Toros, La Macarena. Moreover, Medellin has built a lot of metro lines which carry many people from north to south in a short time. In the future, the city will be an example of improvement, architecture, innovation, and education sites. It offers a wide variety of tools and programs which many people can take advantage and continue working on its development. Finally, Medellin will be recognized as one of the best touristic destinations around the world. Thank you so much.